Lunova hearing aids are marketed as devices that supposedly improve hearing, reduce background noise, and help people hear conversations more clearly. But the real question is, can they actually restore hearing? Now, to be fair, hearing aids are real medical devices and can genuinely help many people hear better depending on the type and severity of hearing loss. What it does well may amplify sounds. The main purpose of hearing aids is helping users hear speech and everyday sounds more clearly, can improve communication. Many users find hearing aids helpful for conversations and social situations. Where the hype falls apart, it will not restore natural hearing. This is the biggest issue. Hearing aids generally help manage hearing loss. They do not usually reverse or cure it. Results depend heavily on the type of hearing loss. Different causes of hearing loss respond differently. Background noise can still be challenging. Even advanced hearing devices can struggle in noisy environments. So, can Lunova hearing aids actually restore hearing? Short answer, no, not in the way the marketing may suggest. They may help amplify sound and improve hearing experiences, but that is different from restoring hearing to its original condition. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.